Shut that down. Go to Freeview on YouTube, yeah? Live streaming on Freeview. Is it live streaming on Freeview? Just check live streaming on Freeview. Yeah, got it. There's my comments. Is it? Okay. Are you talking about Freeview? Are you talking about what are you talking about Freeview on YouTube? Yeah. Stand by. Oh, there we are. There we are. There we are. Yeah, I've got it. I've got it. Love Angel Vision thing. Justin Wellington, the cockerel. And all that. Yeah, he's up. He's up with the frost. As you can see, it is frosty. God bless you, blame me, railing. Do dip me lurky. Oh, look at that. I've just had a popper, Jilly. You see that? Yeah, that's quite interesting, look. Yeah, it's quite interesting. Which is pretty cool. I'm just showing you it now. Just sending it. Just sending it. Okay. Oh. Stand by. That's a little bit. Why is that changed? Is that changed? Took me away from the page, which is quite annoying, I have to say. Yeah, but anyway, it's come up now. That's good, that's good. There we go. Okay. Oh, now that's interesting. That's interesting. This is new, Jilly. If you check the iPad, you'll see the comments are underneath the video. On the Safari app, on the Safari version on the iPad. So anybody on iPad who's been having issues will find it a little bit better this morning. In fact, even far more so, if you look. See, look, that's YouTube for you, man. Constantly innovating. Well, I'm on Freeview here. Let me just see. Let me just double check. No, I don't think so, no. Okay. So anyway, So there we go. So we've got the Cockle, John Kemp, Vision Thing, Dominic Santini, cold up north. Big up the Stone Roses. Vinnie Jones, Alan Wendon, Evan Harris, Bob Copsey, Wolfgang H, a bit frosty, no danger. Absolutely. Yeah, of course, you know, these aircraft are perfectly capable, as well as are the pilots and, you know, the systems to deal with. Got anti-skid systems. Right, okay, I'm going to jump on the next one, seeing as we've already got that. Alan Hitchcock, good morning. Wade Perry, Zombie Tog. Haven't seen Zombie Tog for a little while. Is that a thing? 265 of John Nutman. Tell us where you're from, folks. If you're on Freeview and you're new to Big Jet TV, tell us where you're from. We are at Manchester International. Good morning to everybody around the world. And of course, a very good day to all our friends out in Australia. Hashtag Aussie crew. Because it is the right time of day for our friends out in the east, whereas all our friends in America will be still more than likely be sleepy bubbies. But anyway, just check your audio, GP. Make sure you've got a good audio with me standing over this side of the thingamajig. Yeah, you're good. Sounds like I'm standing in a room, for God blimey sake. Beautiful clear skies this morning, folks. Absolutely not a single cloud in the sky. Literally 25 minutes ago, I went for a quick wee at the side of the road in a lay-by. But as I looked up, it was absolutely beautiful. No light pollution, and I saw two satellites literally crossing paths. It was fascinating. I just wish I had have had Carl the astronomer with me at that particular moment in time. In fact, it probably wouldn't have been good because he would have seen me having a wee, but there we go. Tizzy261, good morning. Dominic Santini, Michael Forrest, Dave Griffiths, Sherry Hellier, Michael Forrest, Sandy Feet. Sandy Feet, great name there. Rev obviously spends a lot of time at the beach. Oh, and he does look, he's from Sacramento, California. Wow, Sacramento, California. He's that's very early in the morning there, I think. Professor Mark Taylor. Good morning. Alan Wendon, Trish. Good morning. Hope the cat's well. Let's just have a look on Facebook. Who's on Facebook? And this is the southern runway, folks. This is the southern runway. Oh, we need a little bit of a cock and the key there. Let's just get that nice and clean. There we go. So there's the, oh, mind that. There's the airport over there, folks. Look at that. Beautiful Manchester. Lufthansa A320 going out. Yeah, looking good in these lights, man. Yeah, what I do need to do, that's a good point. I need to crank my panning arm up slightly because we're going to get some more than likely going to get quite a few That's the least of me worries. Oh, look at that. That's new. I haven't seen that Jet 2 hangar. I know that is their hangar, but I haven't seen. I think that's newly painted. That Jet 2 hangar. I think that might have even been the. Oh no, the paint shop was those sheds over there. So there's the tower. That's the northern runway, folks, that you can see. They're lining up for departures on the northern runway. Got to be a little bit careful with the camera at this time in the morning because of obviously the... But we are expecting the Star Wars liveried 747 to be going out a little bit later on. Wow, 1 degree centigrade. Wrapped up warm though, folks. We are wrapped up warm. Look at these frosty conditions. Beautiful frosty conditions, it has to be said. Good morning, everybody. Jamie Reese, hello. How are you doing this morning? Welcome, everybody, watching on Big Jet TV from around the world, wherever you are. Let's see if I can get in here. I want to watch. I'm trying to get onto Freeview, Big Jet TV Freeview here, yeah, on YouTube, on Facebook and YouTube. Flying with Aer Lingus next week out to New York. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful crisp pictures, man. In this light, it looks fantastic. It's a bit like when you sell your car at night time and it looks brand new, and then you look at it in the morning and it's got all holes in it and rust and stuff like that. Amazing. Thank you, Aer Lingus. Flying with them next week, like I say. There's the Emirates A380. She came in earlier this morning. Okay, so hopefully we'll get a pick up on this. There she is. And there we go. Good morning, Michael van der Au, Donna O'Brien, Ben Coe. I'm in Sompting, a little 2 minutes away. Sompting? Wow, Sompting. I thought Sompting was near Littlehampton, or I think somewhere else. But anyway, good morning to you. Scott Tarpley, good morning, Donna. Kwabena, tuning in from Africa, in Ghana in Africa. Good morning to you. Ben Coe, Janet Lowe, Kieran Butterfield, good morning to everybody. Mike Day, Peter Room. It's not snow, Peter. It's just a very heavy frost. It's literally very frosty underfoot, and it's a good job that I've got big waterproof boots on. Thanks, of course, to Amazon, and also, of course, to Skechers. Get your boots on on the Amazon, folks. I mean, I'll be honest with you, they don't sponsor me, by the way. I just have to say, if you've got a bad back, or if you have any back issues at all, try Skechers. At least get the cheapest pair of Skechers you can. Get them home. They've got some slip-ons, some really nice slip-ons you can use for around the house at home. I've got stone floors in my house, not all the way through, but obviously on the ground floor, and so therefore it's quite hard underfoot. And that's why. Anyway, what are we talking about feet for God's sake? Good morning, everybody. Oh, there we go. Yeah, Ben Coe, 2 minutes from Shoreham, Brighton Airport. There we go. Katrina Enid, good morning. Adrian Andy Thomas loves the A380. Yeah, fully wrapped up, Scott. Thank you very much indeed. Craig White, James Link, Stuart Skeldon. Anybody planning to move over to YouTube? Let me know. Good morning to you, Craig White. Frigid, Denver, Colorado. Is it frigid where you are, my friend, or is it me? Andy Dance. Yes, Andy, I am dedicated. But it is you guys. It is your conversation, your chat, your wonderful support that brings me here. Up at 3 o'clock this morning, and left the house at 3:45. Got myself here about 25 minutes ago, maybe a little bit less. But yeah, pure dedication, guys. You've got to do it. If people are paying for your service, then you've got to show dedication, which is why I want to try and get people over to YouTube, because those guys are dedicated, constantly making changes for the better. Facebook don't give a damn. Anyway, we're not going to... sorry I missed that. Sorry, folks. Sorry. Okay, I know I've got no card. I've got to... Oh, okay, I will. I'll try. Little dash 8 inbound. Here we go. Listen out for the reversers, the pitch reverse. Still struggling a little bit with the... Very little pitch reverse, it has to be said. Got a long runway to run out on. slightly uphill, so you can run it out on the brakes. Okay, VIP. It's not the best shot from over here, but you can see it there. Believe it or not, that is it. It doesn't look like much, does it? Now I believe Michael G. Kelly's birthday today. Welcome, Michael, and happy birthday to you, my friend. Very warm, happy birthday to you. Hopefully you're having a great day. Where are you, Michael? Something about the sound of those turbo props kind of reminds me of flying with my dad in his Britannia all those years ago. Rainier Corporal, good morning. Tony Lee, currently snowing at KMSP. Tell me where it... Minneapolis, wow. Must look fantastic, Tony. Is it Tony? Sorry. Yeah, Tony. Tony Laughlin and Tony Lee. Morning from Essex. Janet Lowe. Fabio Nunes. Good morning to Fabio. Jason Ison, tuning in from Ohio. Good morning to you. Finbar Lesmond. I would love to move over to YouTube, but I don't know how. Please help. There we are, Finbar Lesmond. Okay, instructions should have been sent to you, Finbar. It's very, very simple. I'll be perfectly honest with you, mate. If anybody's thinking of skipping over to YouTube, just before you do, make sure you cancel your membership on Facebook, okay? Just make sure you do that. And then if you need any help, we'll help you as much as we possibly can. But it is pretty simple. And you can just go to bigjet.tv. Bottom left-hand side of your screen there, you can see the banner, and that's the link to go to the website, and where you can find out all about YouTube and how to get on there. Soon to become Virgin Connect, these guys at Flybe. Wondering when we're going to start seeing the... I'm trying to find out who's going to be painting them. It may be that they're going to be doing it here at Manchester, but I think they might have closed the paint shop down here at Manchester. Look at that. A little bit of reverser action to make that exit by the looks of it. Yeah, pretty cool, man. But we've got a jet in next, have we? 737 Ryanair by any chance? Did it teach? Oh, okay. Is it another? I think it might be another Flybe-8. Wow! Look at that! Look at that! Look at that! Our first traffic of the day. Beautiful. Couple there following each other. Yeah, it is another Dash 8. He looked. Tell me if he looks. Tell me if he looks. Tell me if he looks. Keep your eye on the clock, Jilly. Keep your eye on the Jurgen. I've got to make sure I keep an eye overhead because I just missed those two cruisers overhead. There's another one I just missed. No! Is that a little EasyJet there? Look. No, that's EasyJet, that one. Well, it's orange. Oh. Going south, yeah, heading south, yeah. Leslie White, good morning. Matthew Campbell, Michael Doherty, Ewan Cumming, Hal Vanne, so difficult sometimes. McDonald, good morning. Av Geeks, good morning. Zebet, Hovodne, Ezebet. I'll just make it up, shall I? Good morning. Michael Doherty, currently in Oldham. Eddie Wallace, rather crisp this morning. 3 here in Annan Bravert. I think that may be 3 a.m. there. Good morning to you. 349 people watching right now on Facebook. Good morning. YouTube, I'm reading out your comments on YouTube Freeview. Share the feed, folks. Share the feed. Keep that feed coming. He did look, Wade Perry saying. Dean Sellers, he looked. Aiden's Aviation, on my way to Manchester for some plane spotting. Harry Lacaney, need a plane fix in bed just now. Aiden's Aviation, Tony Lee, Shari Hellier, Gary Mills, DL60 en route to Dusseldorf. Thank you. There's one, got it, here we go, look. Looks like a 767. Or is that a, yeah, it's a 76, isn't it? That's a Delta. Is that a Delta 76? 400 perhaps with the raked wingtip. Yeah, she's beautiful, man. She's beautiful. Beautiful. Gonna get a lot more of that today, and of course 20 minutes Freeview, folks, don't forget. We've got to look after our valuable channel members and supporters. 737, that's a 737, that must be a 900 then, seeing how long it was. Mark Taylor, that's the Delta 767, Gary Mills, sorry. Stephen Oxborough, morning from foggy East London. Yes, it was extremely foggy on the way up here. Yeah, Gary Mills, that's off to Dusseldorf. Interesting that this morning, so much fog on the way up here. I was a bit concerned that I might be fog bound. When I get it, I might be filming through cat-free conditions, but far from it. Beautiful clear skies here at Manchester. Oh, look at this. Come on. Oh, look at this Swiss 220. Congratulations to Airbus for selling, putting their 100th Swiss A220. Get it right, son. Yeah, look at that, very D-rated. Beautiful aeroplane, man. Not sure how many. I think Swiss are the largest fleet of 220s currently, maybe. Although Air Baltic have quite a significant fleet of A220s. Wow. Over in the distance there, you can see the tails of the Maxes, folks. What was quite interesting when I was speaking to somebody in the week about the aircraft that are on the ground. They should effectively be run up every day. The engines should be run up and warmed every day. The cabins should be brought up to temperature. All the instruments should be running literally on a daily basis. Now, I don't think I'm not sure if they're actually doing that to those aircraft here at Manchester. Be great to know, get some insider knowledge on that. Looks like an ATR. I'm just looking at this. It looks a bit like an ATR. Just, oh no, that's a 320, isn't it? Sorry. Camera's still struggling a little bit this morning. Sorry, folks. Air France. Bonnet de douche. See the clamshell reversers. Very, very D-rated. Runtime GP. Say it, baby. Wow! Is that since we actually started the live? Okay, well, there you go, folks. It just comes far too soon. It does. It just goes so quick. Folks, good morning. I'm Jerry Dyer. You've been watching Big Jet TV. You've been watching your free view segment from wherever you are in the world. You are most welcome. If you want to watch the rest of the show, then obviously you know what to do. Bottom left-hand side of your screen, go to bigjet.tv where you can find out all the information on what it's like to be a member. And of course, don't forget, YouTube is our preferred platform for watching Big Jet TV. So yes, listen, I'm in New York next week, but you never know what's going to happen, so make sure you keep your devices locked in on Big Jet TV. If you're going to subscribe and hit your notifications, make sure you hit it on Big Jet TV so that you can get all the information when it's updated, both on the website and also through our through YouTube and on Facebook as well. So thanks very much for watching. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Have a great time. And we'll see you next time on Big Jet TV. Thanks very much. Jilly, are you ready? Open up the gates and let's go to members. See ya. Toodaloo.